In the C language, we have seen that whenever function return a value, it is a R value. It is not legal to modify that R value. Certainly, we can assign that return value of a function to another variable and we can use that variable in our program. So let us see a simple program based on this fact. This time, instead of normal variable, we are returning a reference as a R value. Listen carefully. We are returning a reference variable but as a R value. Is it clear? Let us start the program. Here I have declared a function prototype, integer ampersand return reference opening and closing bracket. So what is the return value of the function? It is a reference which is pointing to the integer type of variable. Reference for integer type of data. Okay, I declare a integer type of variable z and I assign value 100 to it. After that I declare integer p. So p is a local to the function main and z is a global to the program. It's a global variable and this is a local variable. Okay, after that I'm calling this function, namely return reference. Execute the program up to this step and now press F7 key to call the function, namely return reference. Let us see the code of the function. What we are doing? We are simply returning the global variable z. Okay, but how we are returning it? As an reference. Okay, to execute this line, just press F8 key. Press again the F8 key to return the reference variable for the variable z, which is global to the program. The reference variable for the global variable z is returned by this function and we have assigned that one to the p. And now I am displaying content of the variable p. Press F8 key and see the output at DOS prompt. 100 is displayed. So what we have studied? We have studied how to return a reference variable from the function. It is just like a C language. We have studied the function in C language and we know how to return a variable from the function in C language. Similarly, we have written reference in this example, but remember that it is as a R value. Is it clear?